Today I will discuss about the three great milestones in the history of genetics. The first one is Mendels Laws. Before Mendel, no one knew about the how characteristic transfer from parents to offspring. What are the nature of those factors that control the heredity? Once Mendel proved that the characteristics are controlled by particulate factors, which he called elemental, then new era of genetics emerged, and so many people around the world start again work on those factors, and many fields emerge after the Mendel's work in the history of genetics. That's why it considered the first great milestone in the history of genetics. The second milestone that were considered after Mendel's law was the structure of DNA of Watson and Crick. Watson and Crick, structure of DNA. Both these scientists are have Nobel Prize. They presented all the information of DNA around the world at a single platform. They didn't discover new thing, but they only collect all the information about the DNA. The DNA is double standard. What are the nitrogenous bases, how they are present in their helical form, what are the bond distance, what are the diameters, all the information about DNA they collected and present in a model form. That's why this is considered as the second biggest milestone in the history of the genetics. Anyone that study the Watson and Crick model, they can easily get information about DNA and its structure very easily. The third milestone that considered in the history of genetics is Human Genome Project. As we know that human is a very complex in nature. Its genome is very complex. When the scientists arranged all the information about the genome of human beings, that's the new era of science emerged, because human genes studied and genomics emerged in a new manner, and all the characteristics which are controlled by genes are specified in human. That's why it gives importance to Human Genome Project. If human genome can be sequenced, then every organism genome can be sequenced. That's why it considered the third most important great milestone in the history of genetics. So until now there are three great milestones in the history of genetics: Mendel's law, number second Watson-Crick DNA model, and number third is Human Genome Project. That was all about today. Next I will discuss about why Mendel started his work and about Mendel's law. Keep watching my channel and also subscribe for the further upcoming videos about genetics and genomics. Thank you.